Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make edits like Xenoz in Alight Motion using an easy method. First, let's get your project set up correctly. You'll want to create a new project with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. Then, import your chosen video clip or image sequence. Make sure your project's frame rate is set to 60 frames per second for that super smooth, professional look. This foundation is key for a great edit. Next up, mastering keyframe animation is crucial for dynamic edits. You'll use keyframes to precisely control the position, scale, and rotation of your layers over time. To achieve those signature smooth movements, dive into the graph editor and adjust the curves between your keyframes. Don't forget to experiment with the various easing presets. They can instantly add a professional and fluid feel to your transitions, making your edits truly stand out. Now, let's add some visual flair with essential effects and overlays. Applying motion blur is a must to enhance the sense of speed during any rapid movements in your clips. For that distinct Xenoz-style look, incorporate color grading effects like saturation and contrast to make your visuals pop. Also, try using blending modes and various overlays to introduce textures or subtle light leaks, giving your edit a unique and polished aesthetic. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and exporting your masterpiece. Take a moment to carefully review your entire edit for any timing issues or visual inconsistencies that might need tweaking. Don't forget the audio. Adjust levels and add sound effects to perfectly complement your stunning visuals. Once everything is perfect, export your finished video in high definition. This ensures the best possible quality for sharing your amazing Alight Motion creation.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.